If you log into a website using your Google, Microsoft, Facebook or LinkedIn account, you authorize that website to access your account information, which includes your profile photo, your name, and your date of birth, including your account settings. This is not secure, considering that you don't know the website that you're logging in using your account information, as well as you don't know how safe your data will be in that website. That is why on this video, I'm going to be walking you through the process of revoking access to those websites or application, or all the websites that you've logged in using either your Google, Microsoft, Facebook, or LinkedIn account. Stay tuned. If you're new on this channel, like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also take time to visit my website on jeptionj.com to learn more. Now let's get right into today's video. Before we get started with this video, I'd like to show you two websites that gives you the option of logging in with Microsoft, Google, Facebook or LinkedIn account. So the first one is ChatGPT. If you go to ChatGPT AI tool, then click on sign up. You'll be presented with a screen here whereby you can sign up with your email address or use Google or Microsoft or Apple account. Another website is this one here, whereby you can sign in to this website using Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter or X now, Microsoft, Apple or Google account. When I click on Google account, you'll see they'll ask permission to first log into my account. So if I sign in with this one, I'll be authorizing Soho now to access my account and pick all this information. The beauty about signing in to a website using either your Facebook account, your Google, Microsoft, LinkedIn account is that you don't have to remember any password. You just use the password of either Google, if you used Google to sign up. After logging in with your account to these websites, how do you revoke access if you find out that the services that they are providing is not what you were expecting or what you are looking for? The first way that you can revoke access is to delete the account that you created on the website in question. The second option is just to revoke access to those websites. So that is what I'll be showing you in this video. So we will start first with Gmail. So if you logged in to a website using your Google account, open your Google account on your browser and then click on Manage Google Account. On this page here on my account, click on Security. Then scroll down and then see below here you can see your devices. Then there is another option whereby your connection to third-party apps and services. Click on See Connection, all connections. As you can see here, I have about 4 of them. If I want to revoke access to any of these ones, I'll click on it, and on this screen I'll click on delete all connections you have with this application or website. The second one is on Microsoft. So if you have an Outlook account, if you have a live account like your email address at live.com, your email address at outlook.com, you need to log in to your Microsoft account. So on your browser, go to microsoft.com. It's already signed in. You need actually to sign in using sign in to your Microsoft account using your Outlook or your live account. So when you go here, you click on your profile icon on your top right, and then click on My Microsoft Account. So once your account details are loaded, click on Privacy. Under Privacy, you will see Apps Access. Click on it. And here, you will be able to see those websites or applications that you've logged in using your Microsoft account. If you see the website that you want to remove here, you will click on Don't Allow or click on details, then stop sharing. The third place that would like to show you how to revoke access is on LinkedIn. Open LinkedIn and log in. So once you logged in, click on your profile and then click on settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, then come down to data privacy. Under other applications, click on permitted services. And as you can see here, I have only one app. If you want to remove that application, click on remove and it will be removed automatically, and the application will no longer have access to your account. The last one is on Facebook. So open your Facebook account, log in to your Facebook account. If you want to revoke access, then click on your profile photo on your top right, then click on settings and privacy, and then click on settings. Under settings, to your far left, scroll down under the menu section, then click on your activity. Under your activity, click on apps and websites, and you will see here the apps and websites that you've logged in using your Facebook account. From here now you can remove the apps that you no longer want them to have access to your account. And that is it. I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section below here. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also take time to visit my website on jeptiony.com to learn more. Up until next time, bye bye and take care. My name is Jeptiony Mutai.